Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Walmart MoneyCard so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new Walmart MoneyCard and any documents that came with it. Make sure you have your card, social security number, and personal details ready for verification. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official Walmart MoneyCard activation website at walmartmoneycard.com/activate or log in to your Walmart MoneyCard online account. Navigate to the Activate Card section, enter your card number along with the required information, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 3. Activate by phone. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the toll-free number listed on the sticker attached to your card or on the back of the card. Follow the automated prompts and provide your card details along with any required personal information. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive a confirmation message online or during your phone call. Your Walmart MoneyCard is now ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals. Step 5. Set up online and mobile access. To manage your card efficiently, set up your Walmart MoneyCard online account and mobile app. This allows you to monitor transactions, reload funds, pay bills, and manage your balance easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.